I think my armpits stink, so sorry. Don't do it! Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm waiting.
Hey everybody, and welcome to not that intro. Ready? Do it again. Hey everybody, and welcome. Today's video is Mother versus Daughter Sephora Play Edition.
I don't think that's right, but let's keep going.
I don't think so either. Anyways, if you guys are new to this channel, hi, welcome. My name is Rhonda, better known as Hotmess Mama MD, makeup diva, not medical doctor. And here we embrace the hot mess. We run on a butt ton of caffeine, and it's a judgment-free zone where there's no drama for this mama. And we just remind each other that it's just makeup, and at the end of the day, it washes off. It's not that serious. And over here,
so cool.
I know, right? It's really good too. Over here is my beautiful daughter Hailey, who also has a YouTube channel as well. So check my description box down below for the link to her channel. And of course, some coupon codes to save some money, and they are affiliate links. Like 99.999% is affiliate links. So anyways, go ahead and check those out down below if you do choose to use those links. Thank you guys in advance. Like I said, this is Mother versus Daughter Sephora Play Edition. This is where we put our Sephora Play bags up against each other. Now, if you guys don't know what Sephora Play is, this is a monthly subscription. It is $10 plus tax. And you do fill out a profile. Ours are obviously completely different because I'm the mom, she's the kid, and our ages are different. Our skin tones are different. Our hair color is different. Our eyes are about the same.
Yeah,
that's about it. I mean, turns out she is my kid, so yay to that.
Ooh, I just guessed it.
I don't know. I still have energy, and y'all, it's the evening. So can we get a round of applause for the thyroid?
Let's start.
She wants me to pull it together. I don't know if I can.
I'm really tired and ready to go to sleep.
Is that awkward pose? How long is mom gonna let me pose?
No.
Oh, okay.
That was just me waiting for you to talk. And you weren't talking. Good. Stop.
Okay, so they always give us a pamphlet. You guys know how I feel about the pamphlet. Don't really understand the pamphlet, but it's here. It tells you a little bit about everything in here, and I think it gives you like how much the full-size product is. No, it does not. Okay, ignore me. Let's go ahead and start it off. Shh, don't. I don't know what you got.
Okay, so the first thing we have is the same. It is the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner. It's a waterproof liquid eyeliner.
Which, you guys know, Hailey loves to throw things. Somebody's sitting on the other side going, "You're not funny."
Probably.
It's fine, Karen. Love, peace, and happiness over here. Yeah, Hailey's right. We got the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner. And FYI to people that don't like to support Kat Von D, whatever, she sold her company, and Samantha Ravndal came out and said that she talked to Can Do.
Kat Von D sold Kat Von D?
Wow. Yeah. You didn't know that?
No.
Yeah, to Kindu or whatever the name of the company is, and she won't get any royalties back. So I saw like somebody was talking about like, oh yeah, I'm totally gonna buy Kat Von D now because I'm not gonna be giving her any money.
Are they still gonna be vegan and cruelty free?
I guess so. I don't know. Now you're just getting too deep. I don't know all that stuff. I was just giving you guys the tea on the Kat Von D.
Okay. The next thing we got is also the same. It is this flower bomb.
No.
Yeah.
No. Mine is magic.
Oh, what?
Mine's thick. I think I have the flower bomb somewhere. Yeah, I have the flower bomb and I absolutely love it. This magic sage spell, it's different. It's thick.
I don't know what that means. Spray it on the paper so I can smell it.
No, you have to mix it with your... Oh, I still have today's perfume on, but hold on, you gotta let it get in there. Okay, fine, go.
Oh.
Right?
It smells like black licorice.
You have to give it a second.
Black licorice
it
was
does.
fancy. I'm a good smeller tester. That should be my job.
Be
Let
jealous.
Me smell things. Yeah, I can identify the smells just like that. Okay,
well, this next... Right? Is that what that's called?
Sure. The next thing is also the same. It is this Glam Glow Super Mud Clearing Treatment.
And FYI, friends, Boxycharm is having a Boxy pop-up coming up. Wow, that's a lot of ups. Next month. And Glam Glow is part of it. You can get like crazy good deal on Glam Glow stuff. I'll leave my Boxycharm. It is an affiliate link, just letting you guys know. But hey, we all love to save some money and we all like to make some money. So
my next item my mom doesn't have is the Briogeo Adult to Spare Repair Deep Conditioning Mask, which she's really good. I love that. You want it?
No, you use it. I have some. I buy the tubs of it. I've got some. See? Right there. I stocked up when it was on sale.
Those are my 3 tubs over there.
Well, no, some is the charcoal detox. Then I got the conditioner. Then I got the honey bear conditioner. I like what I like. Did you get this too?
No.
Oh. I took it out. Here it is. My next item, after that Glam Glow Mud, is the Benefit Gimme Brow and number 2. I like it. I use it. It scared me and I thought it was going to be too warm because I think it says warm blonde or something. Warm golden blonde. But it ends up working out. It doesn't look too warm on my brows. But, you know, I'm not mad about it. I bought the little tiny size of it and it's enough to get you buy it to figure out if you like it or not.
You got it. You didn't buy it.
Yeah, hold on. Oh. Okay.
Did I wish it?
Yeah, did you make a wish?
Yeah.
Okay, good job.
My lips are chapped. Okay, my turn. My next... What? I don't think I got this. I don't remember seeing this on my paper.
I thought I saw it on your paper.
Oh.
I did. I see pink. I see pink at all times.
Hello Fab. It's the First Aid Beauty. What was on the bar?
Noah's Dan.
Noah's here?
Yeah. Babe, please hold. I'll be with you momentarily.
Okay,
it's recording.
Oh. Okay.
What did we leave off on? Okay.
This is my next item. It's the...
Is that your favorite First Aid?
What's the bag you guys got? Sephora. It's the First Aid Beauty Pores Be Gone Matte Primer with fig extract, and it's oil free. It's safe for I love your shirt. Yeah, you want it? You can have it.
You want to say hi?
Hi. Hi. It makes me look pale. What's the like baggy bag? The goodie bag.
Sephora Play.
This. Is the bag it comes in.
Okay, so my next item is the Smashbox Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. Now, I told you guys in my dedicated video that I was a little like, because this used to really break my skin out. So, I think I have some, or maybe I've given them all to you, I don't know. So this may end up just going back over to her. So, anyways, you're next.
My last item is the Makeup Forever Fix, or Mist and Fix 12-hour setting spray. I have one of these already.
That's so cute.
And I like it. It's really good for traveling. And I just found out we're having 2 hair shows here soon in school, but not in school, far away from school. So I'm going to be traveling because I'm going to finesse my way into going because I'm going to spend all my money on it. I'm excited. Mic drop.
Okie dokie.
That's so little
and it's like really full.
I know, it's really cute.
So my last item is the Waso Shiseido Clear Mega Hydrating Cream.
Ooh.
And like I told you guys before, like Hailey's got me checking the bottoms of these little jars and it doesn't poof in. It's actually the full amount of 5 mLs, 0.18 ounces.
Like,
I don't want to just yet. I don't want to mess it up.
Didn't mean you have to touch it.
Well, yeah, but once you crack it, you crack it. It starts the countdown.
Yeah, that's why I didn't open the eyeliner.
Alright, so
my boxes, I'm not overwhelmed. Like, I like everything that I got besides the little stupid perfume sample. I don't really like that.
You don't like the scent of that?
I mean, I like the scent, but I don't like little mini sample perfumes. They are not my thing. It's too small. Like, that's just, like, it's good for one-time use. And then trash to put, yeah. Everything else I like, but I already literally have gotten everything else in my Sephora bag except for this Kat Von D eyeliner, so that's that.
I really like mine.
Yeah, I told you were gonna win.
And the perfume, it's one that grows on me. I feel like it would smell better on my husband though. Babe, no. Be like, yeah, you want to come try this? This cologne? Yeah.
No. Did you hear him?
Yeah. I need your arm right quick. Honey, look, it's real. It's close. I need
like your wrist, your pulse point.
Yeah. Just screwed myself. It definitely is more of a manly scent.
Is it for a woman?
Yeah.
Yes.
I mean, it smells thick.
It's a strong scent.
No, it's thick. It's not like light and airy. It's thick.
Yeah.
It's fall, winter. Like, I think if I get sweaty, I'm gonna be stinky thick.
Ew.
Yeah, I don't like this. This is definitely more of a man scent. I thought it grew on me, but
to give it to.
yeah. Okay, that is everything for our Sephora plays for the month of January for 2020. Let me know down below. Some of you guys said that you got a lot of repeats in your Sephora bag. And I feel like they actually did a good job of kind of switching it up for me. So I was pretty happy about that. But like Hailey said, she got a lot of repeated items in there. So let me know down below y'all's thoughts on the bags. Which bag did you think was the better bag? Mama? Donna?
Hers.
Which one? Okay guys, until next time, don't forget to follow me on TikTok, Twitter, and Instagram. Check my description box down below for a bunch of information, as well as the Boxycharm link where you can sign up for Boxycharm, because holy guacamole, I don't know if that video is uploaded yet, but the Boxy Lux for March is insane. In the February Boxy base box, some of the sneaky peekies that we've seen for the base box and the premium are crazy. So get in now if you guys are interested in Boxycharm. That's all I have to say. Until next time, friends.
Kisses from Kentucky.
As always, we hope you have
a wonderful, I was going to do that for a second. As always, we hope you have a wonderful now.
Let's do this. Wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Bye.